Today, I will show you a trick to repair broken glasses. I have these glasses, and the frame is completely broken at the hinge. You might think a snapped plastic hinge means they belong in the trash, but I'll show you how to rebuild a completely new hinge from scratch using simple household items. I need to remove the broken plastic piece still attached to the arm, so I'm carefully unscrewing the tiny hinge screw to free it. Next, I use a utility knife to carefully trim the jagged broken edge of the plastic frame. I'm doing this to create a clean, flat, and even surface for the completely new hinge we are going to build from scratch. A smooth base is absolutely essential for the next steps to ensure our repair is strong and aligned correctly. Now, I take a standard safety pin. Leave a comment and let me know which country you are watching from. It's great that we can connect and chat from all over the world. I heat the sharp tip with a lighter until it's red hot. By heating the metal, I can easily melt it directly into the flat plastic frame to create a perfect pilot hole for our new hinge mechanism. For the replacement hinge itself, I'm repurposing a small metal component from an old stapler. I'll take the stapler apart and extract this specific small metal tab. I'm using pliers to remove a small staple, which I will then cut down to the exact size we need. Using needle nose pliers, I carefully bend this tiny piece of metal, rolling it into a small circle. If you find this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any interesting ideas coming soon. This custom-made piece will act as the barrel of our new hinge, so precision is key here. Then, I carefully position it right onto the pilot hole we made earlier on the frame. To keep everything perfectly stable while I work, I'm temporarily gluing a flat strip of aluminum to use as a base. I'm securing the glass with wooden clothespins. This gives me a stable workstation. Here's a great DIY trick. I'm applying layers of superglue and baking soda around the new metal barrel. The baking soda acts as a chemical accelerator and instantly cures the glue into a rock-hard, plastic-like substance to permanently secure the hinge. I will also use additional layers of superglue and baking soda to fill in the missing outer frame material. Once it hardens, I'll remove the foil from the homemade hinge. I'm using a utility knife to cut away the excess baking soda and glue. I'm using a metal file to shape and smooth the area so that it perfectly matches the outline of the original glass's frame. To make the repair look seamless, I spray some black paint into a cap. I use a cotton swab to carefully touch up the reconstructed area. This ensures our newly built hinge blends in perfectly with the rest of the black frame. Now we need to prepare the arm. I will heat the pointed end of the safety pin with a lighter. I melt a new hole right through the plastic arm, making sure it will line up perfectly with our newly installed hinge barrel. I'm aligning the arm with the frame and inserting the small screw back in to reattach the main hinge pin, securing the two pieces tightly together. Look at how perfectly the arm folds in and out. These glasses are incredibly strong and totally ready to wear again. If you enjoyed this repair project, please give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more awesome DIY fixes. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.